all credits go to my mother. She is 50 years old right now, and she's been having a difficult time for the past 4-5 years dealing with menopause, and it's not ending for her. Seems like a very big deal for me personally, because I am a woman. And I would very much like to know how I can deal with these things. So there are a lot of intense things that you're going to face, and no one has prepared you for it. I started off with secondary research, trying to understand menopause from the scientific view and a psychological view. Then brought me to my primary research, where I interviewed somewhere around 25 to 27 women who were in different phases of menopause. And then I went to somewhere around 7 to 10 gynecologists to understand what the progress is. And turns out that you would think that gynecologists and OBGYN would have answers, but that's not the case. Even they are in a territory where it's very new for them as well. So that is how I boiled down to what the problem is. And my 3 keywords were to be able to recognize this thing, to be able to prioritize your own health, and take help from someone, or at least have self-help as well. When your mail ID came, I thought it's one of those newsletters and I'll read it later. When I actually read that mail, I was out and it was 1 in the night, and I'm just reading through and I'm like, oh my God, what just happened with me? Am I reading this right? And then I woke up my parents and called them to tell them, being in India and, bragging about your child visiting the US is also a thing. So my parents got the chance to brag about that.